What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. How are y'all doing today? In my last vlog. So in my last vlog, one of my friends called me out and where I live. As you guys can see, I have a lot of greenery and vegetation where I live because I live in the rural parts of Jamaica. I like vegetation, it's what it is. But I thought I'd make this vlog on like why I even started my YouTube channel. I just realized, guys, that whenever I'm talking I stretch my words for like emphasis. And that's something new I discover every day. I'm still getting looked at weird by people, but it's all good. That's one of the reasons I decided to start this vlog, because I get to do more exciting stuff. I'm always saying yes to my friends, doing whatever projects or adventures that they might go on, and I'll just go with them. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't know how this working. You guys see me? I just washed my hair, so it's all wet and stuff, but I think I'm gonna make a hair video on my dreadlock journey. But other than that, it's all good. I have a very short attention span. I know some of you guys probably too. So I decided, instead of writing a blog, because I hate writing and I hate reading, so why not start a YouTube channel, learn a new skill, something of the sort. I started a channel. It's up for a while now, like maybe a week, maybe. And that's what I'm doing. So if you didn't know already, you do know now. That's WannabeMatt. Like, subscribe. I post every week. Some of the great YouTubers that inspired me. Wait, there's something on my lens. Got it. So some of the great YouTubers that inspired me were people like Casey, Gunther the Great, Roman, in the Vlog Brothers, Mo Vlog. No, I don't like Mo Vlogs. But yeah, he's still a big he's still a top contender. So I watch some of his vlogs or like ideas to see what exactly people like about him. So yeah, and I got started. I started vlogging. It's a relatively new concept here in Jamaica. So hey, why not? I'm here doing some new content, like show off some videos, show me my life here, what I'm doing at the moment. I don't know where I'm going next, but hey, maybe I'll start with a vlog somewhere. I don't know, maybe I'll be the first vlogger to the moon. You guys see the moon? I don't see the moon. I just see skies and clouds. But you get the idea. I bought myself a camera. I'm supposed to get myself a tripod. And I'll just start making content. Making content, I guess. I hear that there's a learning curve. So I'm just trying to make content. The more videos I make, the better I get. And that's how I'm attacking it. I don't personally know what kind of videos I'll be making as yet. I'm just making videos. So I don't know where I want to take my channel. It's my channel. I'll do whatever. If you guys like it, thumbs up. If you guys dislike it, that's thumbs down. There's a thumbs down button as well. Either way, it's fine with me. I've enjoyed vlogging so far, and being on camera all the time helps me keep my posture straight. I have bad posture, so I'm working on that. I might be the next big thing, probably. A-list celebrity. I'm gonna get some food right now. yeah guys, just done lunch and my day is finished. So that's why I don't know if I covered everything in my vlog today regarding why I started YouTube and shit. This is my homie Leon. See, my homie. I don't say homie, but that's besides the point. But if I didn't answer everything, you guys can let me know in the comment sections. If I did answer everything, you can still let me know. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, share, whatever you guys do. I mean, love you guys, and yeah. Well, yeah, that's it for today. I did everything I thought I wanted to do today, and yeah.